HP PVC-Free Wallpaper is an odor-free, PVC-free alternative for wall covering that is flame-resistant and carries multiple environmental certifications, making it safe for use in the most sensitive of public environments. Durable enough for use in locations that get constant wear and tear, HP PVC-Free Wallpaper is also mold, mildew, water, and scratch resistant. As an added benefit, HP PVC-Free Wallpaper is easy to install and remove, and doesn't require any messy glues or water troughs. In this video, we're going to show how anyone can install or remove this wall covering with just water and some simple tools you can find at your local home improvement store. So, let's get started. The tools you'll need to complete the job successfully are a damp sponge, a spray bottle filled with room temperature water, a razor knife with multiple sharp fresh blades, a squeegee, and a metal broad knife. Before you start the installation, make sure to size or prime all the walls and remove them of any dust, dirt, and debris to ensure a proper adhesion. For best results, give the primer 24 hours to dry and acclimate to the room. Also, to make installation easier, we suggest backrolling each panel to help them relax any curls from being rolled. Once the walls are primed and cleaned, start by placing the panels in order upside down, with the first panel on top. Spray the top panel evenly with water, then book the panel and let it set for approximately 5 minutes. While your first panel is setting, spray and book 2 or 3 additional panels, depending on the amount of time needed to hang each panel. Next, hang the first panel at a corner or plumb line as predetermined by the design. Unbook just the top section of the panel and place it on the wall. Once the top section is secure against the wall, unbook the bottom section, press it against the wall, and smooth out the air and bubbles with the squeegee, being careful not to damage the print. When you're done smoothing out the entire panel, wipe it with the damp sponge to remove any excess adhesive. You're now ready to move on to the rest of the panels, repeating the process and making sure to add the correct overlap so the patterns match, which should have been determined during the printing. Just keep repeating this process for all the remaining panels. Once the entire wall has been covered, use your razor knife and metal broad knife to trim any excess wallpaper around the edges. If you have any outlets on your wall, you can use your razor knife to shallow cut openings. Finally, go over the entire wall one more time with a damp sponge to make sure all remaining water and adhesive has been removed. Removing HP PVC-Free Wallpaper is easy. In most cases, you'll be able to just peel it off the wall with little effort. Simply start at a seam, peel the paper off, and throw it away. Pro tip: peel the paper closely against the wall to keep from damaging the walls while you peel it. In most environments, HP PVC-Free Wallpaper should last for up to 3 years. But if it's been longer than 3 years, keep in mind that you may need to spray it with a bit of water to help remove the paper. Now, if you plan on painting or recovering the wall with new wallpaper, you'll need to remove the adhesive left behind. Just use your damp sponge and a metal broad knife to scrape the adhesive off the walls. Then, simply reprime the walls and you're ready for your next design. The best primer to use is an alkyd hybrid primer that you can find at your local paint store. For more tips and tricks on installing HP PVC-Free Wallpaper, or to learn more about the size options available, contact your HP Large Format Media Specialist today.